This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable notifications on the Epic Privacy Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Epic Privacy Browser open now. To enable or disable notifications, you want to open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the left side pane, you want to go down to where it says Privacy and Security and click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, down towards the very bottom, Site Settings. You want to click on Site Settings. And then right down here in the Permissions area, Notifications. Click on Notifications. It says default behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. Sites usually send notifications to let you know about breaking news or chat messages. It gives you two options. The top one is sites can ask to send notifications, and the bottom one is don't allow sites to send notifications. Down below that, it has customized behavior. You could turn it on, don't allow sites to send notification, and allow certain particular sites to send notifications. There's an add button off to the right, but the main setting is right up here, the default behavior, one of these two here. Now if you have don't allow sites to send notifications set and you're still receiving notifications, you might want to Google search the problem. That can be caused by browser extensions or malware. That is how to enable or disable notifications on the Epic Privacy Browser. Thanks for watching.